Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is a man who carries an X-linked allele will pass it on to, and you have to choose one of these answers. So how we are going to solve this problem? Take a look. Let's build simple Punnett square, and I'm going to use different colors for each chromosome so you would know where each chromosome is coming from. So X chromosome and Y chromosome. So this is genotype of the male, and here on the side one X chromosome and another X chromosome. Here is a genotype of the female. So now let's build simple Punnett square, and let's take a look who is going to get which chromosome. X chromosome from the mother side, this is female side, and this is male side. So X chromosome from the mother side and another X chromosome from the father side. X chromosome from the mother side and another X chromosome from the father side. X chromosome from the mother side and Y chromosome from the father side, and X chromosome from the mother side and Y chromosome from the father side. And now let's read a question again. A man who carries an X-linked allele will pass it on to, and as you see, a man will pass his X chromosome to all his daughters and none to his sons. To his sons, to all his sons, he's going to give Y chromosome. So let's now check the correct answer, and this is going to be answer A, to all his daughters. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.